Hey, Zach here from digitalconstructive.com, and today we're going to be talking about how to pass your C-35 license exam. Now, the C-35 Lathing and Plastering Contractor license exam is going to be broken up into 4 different sections: planning and estimating, lathe preparation and installation, plaster stucco preparation, installation and repair, and then safety. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the C-35 license, you're going to want to check out our previous video where we break this classification down in detail. Today, we're just going to be focusing on the examination. Now, as is the case with all California contractor licenses under the C specialty, you'll also need to pass your CSLB Law and Business exam, which will include sections on business organization, business finances, employment requirements, bonds, insurance, and liens, contract requirements and execution, licensing requirements, public works, and there'll be a section on safety. So basically, you got to pass 2 tests, 115 questions covering law and business and 115 questions covering lathing and plastering. It's going to be multiple choice, closed book. You'll get 3 hours to complete each section. It's a computerized exam that you'll take at a CSLB testing facility. So if you're somebody that's applying from out of state, just know that you will need to come to California to take the exam. Now, we've got a complete free guide that breaks the licensing process in California down in detail, how to fill out the application correctly, sample questions, everything that you'll need to know. You can download that in the top right-hand corner. Now, the lathing and plastering specialty portion of your exam is going to be extremely critical. You're going to be tested on a lot of different areas, including California building codes, applying and mixing plaster, estimation and job costing, lathing fundamentals, interpreting plans and specifications, inspecting a job site, mixing and applying scratch and brown coats, plaster and stucco installations, seal preparations, Cal OSHA regulations, and then of course personal protective equipment. Now there's a lot more that's going to be on this exam. This is just a snapshot of the different areas that you need to be prepared to answer questions on. Now, the mathematics that you're going to want to be tight on going into your C-35 license exam are going to obviously include your applied math. Make sure that you're tight on your addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, calculating square footage, understand geometry to a certain degree. Obviously, units of measurement and then job costing and estimation will be huge. Now, preparing for your C-35 license exam, obviously, California law and business represents 50% of the test. So make sure that you're familiar with all the different areas that are going to be presented to you. And there's quite a bit to the law and business exam. Obviously, your lathing and plastering fundamentals. See the variety of different possible questions and the different areas that you're going to be tested on. As I said before, California health and safety codes are going to be critical. California takes job site safety, workers' rights, employment regulations, environmental safety. These are all areas that are going to represent a significant portion of your exam. So make sure that you're prepared on that. And then obviously your math skills, common equations, formulas. Make sure that you're able to get through the math-related questions quickly. Have some test-taking experience. Online practice exams that are timed with flashcards and answer explanations are extremely helpful. And then, of course, walkthroughs of the exam with licensed plastering contractors, lawyers that can help you understand and decipher the language, and not only pass the exam, but how to run an effective and profitable contracting business in California. All of this is included with our C-35 license course. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Like and subscribe to our channel. And again, my name is Zach from digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.